have a very sharp 1972 Chevrolet Nova. And as you know, with black cars, they have to be straight or they show everything. And as you can see, this one looks amazing. So this car just came into us here at Unique, and it is SS badged. I cannot prove whether it is or is not a real SS. We're not marketing it as such, but boy, it sure looks and fits the part, that's for sure. This car's it's powered by a rebuilt 396 big block with an automatic transmission, turbo 350. Nice thing too is that it's got four-wheel disc brakes, vented four-wheel disc brakes, custom wheels and tires, as you can see. And again, how nice the body and paint is on this car. It really stands out. When you see it in person, it really grabs you. Now, you'll be able to see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you'll see still pictures of the inside, the outside, even the underside, so you can see everything you need to see before making your purchase decision. Let's take a look inside. All right, here we are. Again, nice and tidy interior. Sill plate looks good. Door cards are in good shape. You can see they did add an aftermarket tachometer there. Nice thing about these Novas, they're pretty simple. There's a set of aftermarket gauges down there. There's one small crack in the dash right up here. Nothing terrible, but it is there. B&M ratchet shifter in there. Open the back here. You can see the upholstery is in good shape. Not all ripped or torn up. Headliner's in good shape as well. No sags or anything like that. All right, we'll go ahead and get the hood open and we'll fire it up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we got the hood open. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right. Idling nice, right around that 500 mark or so. Oil pressure's coming up. Got your temp gauge over there. Let's take a look under the hood. Again, this car is powered by rebuilt 396, and it looks as good as it sounds, as you can see. This car does have power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. You got a dual top master cylinder there. This car, they did a great job with giving it some power, but you also got to be able to stop it, so they spent a lot of money on the brakes. It does have exhaust headers on it as well. Very, very nice build. We'll go around back and listen. You'll hear it's got like just the perfect sound for what you would expect for a muscle car. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are always considered, and financing is available as well.